And we're back with another product overview video. This time I got my hands on the newest member of Kwikset's electronic lock lineup, the new Powerbolt 250 10-button keypad. The Kwikset Powerbolt 250 10-button keypad, available in a transitional design, is an easy and attainable way to upgrade to an electronic door lock. It has a great looking transitional design that makes me look like someone with good design taste. The Powerbolt 250 offers convenient keyless entry that makes coming and going secure and simple. It's jam-packed with features that are gonna make your life better. Maybe significantly better. Customize up to 25 user codes, 5 one-time user codes, and 1 programming code that lets you edit or delete user codes whenever you need to, which is perfect for all the family members, friends, and various service professionals in your life. I don't know that many people, but I plan to meet them in years to come. For enhanced security, the Powerbolt 250 also features auto lock. Customize it to automatically lock every 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. Intrusion alert. After 3 consecutive incorrect code entries, the lock sounds an alarm and disables the keypad for 1 minute to prevent anyone from tampering with it. And there's vacation mode, which temporarily disables the keypad so no one can operate your door while you're away. At which point, really, your only responsibility becomes booking a vacation. The Powerbolt 250 also has low-light code entry. Bright LED lights illuminate the keypad so you can easily enter your user code at night. Simply touch the keypad to turn on the lights. The responsive touchpad looks nice and modern, and the LEDs communicate the lock status. Smart Key Security protects you against advanced break-in techniques. Plus, Smart Key Security allows you to rekey your lock yourself in mere seconds. And with a battery life of around 12 months, you won't have to worry about battery replacements for, well, about a year. And let's say that's not enough time for you to replace the battery. Let's say you refuse to change your battery for 2 years. Well, you can always use the regular keys that come with your lock. No shame in that. But is it safe? Safe is an understatement. BHMA Grade 3 certified for security, durability, and finish, and it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. I have to say, the Powerbolt 250 is actually one of the easiest lock installations I've ever done, and I've done a lot. It fits on all standard doors, and you can replace your existing door lock with just a Phillips screwdriver. There's no hardwiring needed, so you don't have to call an electrician or a locksmith or really anyone. A true no-calls lock installation. Hopefully I answered everything here, but if not, please do not email my boss. Instead, download the Built app, which you can get for free in the App Store or Google Play, which provides interactive instructions as you install the lock. It's actually really cool. The Powerbolt 250 lock offers everything you need, from advanced security and convenience to modern design features and a sense of purpose. For more info and the simple installation guide, visit kwikset.com.